Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. It is getting hot here in Southern California. Let's get the snow tires off. Ski season is coming to an end. The lighting might also be a little interesting because I'm trying to do this before the sun gets too bright. Let's jack up the car. Okay, so this one was the right front and now it's the right back because we are following this tire rotation to move the front one to the back, and then we will crisscross the ones in the back. Let's work on the front now. We got the left rear in the right front now. Last thing I do is I check the miles here. It is currently 4619. I'm gonna do a trip reset to get it to 0. And then I just write on a piece of paper, the winter has 4,600 miles. Video 271 done.